Hi, people of Couchsurfing. I'm now living in Brussels for 6 months. The reason I'm living here is that my hometown in Switzerland offers me an artistic residency in Brussels to work on my projects. I will edit some videos of my travel, and I have to write my first movie. How exciting, no? I create an event in Couchsurfing. As I don't know a lot of people, I wanted to show my movie Train Station. It's also a good time for me to give back what all Couchsurfers gave me during this travel. I'm going to host people from all around the world.
We can finish all the noodles?
Yeah, and there is some rest that we can eat tomorrow also.
Yeah, okay.
That don't need to be cooked so long.
And
Yeah?
the best part in it is that
yeah,
some of my guests cook something as thank you.
And why did you put some sugar on the tomatoes?
Because this one, it should be a little bit sweet.
Okay.
This time is Ophelia from
Okay.
South Korea.
Sorry. I don't touch it, okay.
Maybe use this one also.
Okay.
When I host several people, it's always time for good stories also.
My worst job was when I was working in a mussel factory. I had to open 3,500 mussels in 6 hours. And at the beginning I was like, I don't like seafood, so the smell of that was for me like, oh, and I was crying inside, you know, I was drinking my tears.
Generally, they are here to visit, but sometimes they are here for a specific reason. It's the case of Natasha from Russia. She is here as a mermaid for a theater project.
Yeah, take care. With the sun behind you, we'll...
Cold is not super spicy. Cold is better.
Spicy for me.
It's time for me to let my surfers telling from their point of view about their stay in Brussels. Next time you will learn about Bojas, a Hungarian guy who travels around the world.